Third product on this list is the AR Blue Maxx 3000. This next one is another electric power washer, but with a bit more power than Adam's. You'll notice from the name that the AR Blue Maxx produces 3000 PSI. You'll like its turbo nozzle, spray gun, foam cannon, and metal lance. All these nozzles provide you with a variety of uses and will help to prevent damage to objects that otherwise would be too fragile. For example, windows or other glass surfaces couldn't stand the pressure of the turbo nozzle or the metal lance. You'll probably prefer the spray gun, but the foam cannon might be a good option too. Furthermore, you'll like the 25-foot hose and the two-wheel trolley. This will allow you to move freely and give you a decent length. Additionally, the entire weight of the AR Blue Maxx 3000 is only 55 pounds, which is quite light for a pressure washer. This is another advantage electric pressure washers bring. Not only that, but you'll also appreciate the hose hook on the trolley. This makes wrapping the hose much easier and quicker. Furthermore, this also means you don't have to disconnect it every time you use it, but rather have it all in one place. Its pros are, its electric pump gives ample power up to 3000 PSI, which is more than adequate to clean any surface. Its multiple nozzles gives you the best surface cleaning options without damaging the objects, and it is quite light for a pressure washer, making it easier to maneuver. However, assembly can be a bit tricky for some people. The AR Blue Maxx 3000 is a powerful and reliable unit that will take your exterior cleaning to the highest level.